HACCP, or Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points, is vital in the beverage industry to ensure the safety and quality of drinks from raw materials to the final product. Beverages, whether bottled water, juices, soft drinks, or alcoholic drinks, are susceptible to microbiological, chemical, and physical hazards that can affect consumer health and brand reputation. Implementing HACCP helps identify potential hazards at each stage of production and ensures preventive measures are in place. Before HACCP can be effectively applied, several prerequisites must be established. These include good manufacturing practices, GMP, proper sanitation and hygiene procedures, supplier control, maintenance of equipment, temperature control, water quality management, and employee training. These foundational practices reduce the risk of contamination and create the conditions necessary for HACCP to function effectively. Key aspects of HACCP in the beverage industry include conducting a thorough hazard analysis to identify risks, establishing critical control points, CCPs, where hazards can be controlled or eliminated, setting critical limits for these CCPs, implementing monitoring procedures, defining corrective actions if limits are exceeded, verifying that the system works effectively, and maintaining detailed documentation are also essential. HACCP not only protects consumers from unsafe products, but also helps companies comply with local and international regulations, avoid costly recalls, and maintain consumer trust. For beverages, where water, raw fruits, and additives can carry bacteria or chemical residues, a robust HACCP plan is essential. Ultimately, HACCP is not just a regulatory requirement, it's a proactive approach to producing safe, high-quality beverages consistently.